Hello students, welcome to the class of psychology. So this is a new subject and new class for you. So I hope you all are very curious to know about your subject. Okay, because psychology is very curious and interesting subject. So there are many questions in your minds that what we will study in psychology, what is the subject matter of psychology, okay, and what is the things, what are the subjects, what are the topics we will study, and the subject is difficult or subject is easy. Okay, so just one thing I can tell you that this subject is very interesting for you because the subject matter of this subject, particularly psychology, is the human beings. Okay, so we study about the human behavior, like you study chemicals in chemistry, about the computers in computer science. Just like that, we study the human beings, the human behavior in the psychology. Okay, so let's start this journey of psychology with our new chapter, that is the chapter number 4. It is the chapter name is human development. So students, when we start reading about the psychology, why I start this with this chapter only, because you all are having many questions about yourself. Okay, and actually not you, we all are very curious about ourselves, that why we behave in a particular manner. Okay, why we behave in certain way. Okay, what is the reason behind this behavior? Okay, why we look like this, what is going on in our mind. Okay, so we have many questions in our mind about ourselves. So why don't you know about yourself first? Okay, so let's start with the human development. Actually this chapter tells you about the human development, that how the development continues. Okay, how the development take place in our life, and what are the factors influence us. Okay, so let's take an example that you all are living in a family, and you all are you have your parents in your family, your grandparents, your siblings, uncle, and many family members are there. Okay, and when you see towards your siblings, your parents, many things are look like, because same. Okay, you seems आपके जो representations है, your identity, your जो physical appearance I can say are the same. Okay, resemblance are there, but still you and your brother and your sister is not behave in the same manner. Okay, his opinion, his views, her opinion, her views are different from you. Okay, just like your parents also, they have their own opinion, they have their own views. Rather we have the same physical qualities, the same physical characteristics, but the inner thing is different. So this chapter basically tells us about the why we are different in a way. Okay, so according to this chapter, we will know about and we will understand about the developmental process that start from the conception till the death. Okay, so we will study the whole life process, that what is going on in a human being, in an individual throughout the life. What are the changes are there, because you face many changes in your life, like when you are a small kid, you have different views, different opinion, and different physical appearance. And now you are in adolescence, so you have a different physical view and different opinion, different views, and new hobbies, new like, new dislikes. So this chapter basically make you able to understand why these changes are continuous with us. Okay, and what are the different changes we have to face in the different age groups. Okay, so this in this part, the introductory part, we will learn about that what we will going to understand, what we will read in the particular chapter. Okay, so basically first we will start with the development and growth process. We will understand the difference between the development, growth, and the same terms. Okay, and after that we will study about the context of development. The context of development, students, is this is the thing in which a child get wrapped into. So we will study about the ecological system, about our surroundings, that why we think in a certain way, so why we behave in a certain way, so what is the reason behind that thinking, the society make us, and how we get learned some things and many things from our parents, our neighbors, our family, friends, schools. Okay, after that the psychologists divided our whole complete human being's life into some stages. Okay, from the conception to old age to till death. Okay, so we will study about the different stages of the human being's life. So let's start this journey with the first heading. So students, as I tell you that we in this particular chapter about the human development, as the name suggests, we will study about the development process. Okay, so just like development, there are many synonyms, like we can say, but according to psychology they all have different meanings. So there are some words like development, growth, maturation and evolution. So first you need to understand that what is the difference among these words and what is the meaning of these words according to psychological perspective also. So development refers to the growth, or we can say development refers to the process which is systematic, organized and orderly, follow a sequence. Okay, and in this we'll study about the changes that take place from conception to death of a person, because the changes take place from the conception and they continue till the death of a person. Okay, so you can see, or all you can observe these changes, like when you are a kid you look in the different manner, now you are in different manner, and when you get grow old then your physical appearance, your thoughts, your views will be in a different manner. So development is the process, is a pattern in which we study the changes that take place from conception to death. Now the next term is the growth. एक्चुअली हम लोग ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट को सेम लेते हैं, बट दे हैव अ डिफरेंस, बोथ हैव डिफरेंस. सो द ग्रोथ refers to the change in the size. Now the change in, for example, the change in weight, height. Okay, basically those changes or those process which can be measurable, okay, and quantified. तो हम लोग उसकी कोई क्वांटिटी होती है और उसको मेजरेबल भी होती है, एंड इट कैन इजीली ऑब्जर्वेबल. सो चेंज, बेसिकली चेंज इन साइज एंड फिजिकल अपीयरेंस refers to the growth. Now the another point is the maturation. Maturation is the same terminology of development, but it has a different meaning. Maturation is refers to changes in orderly sequences through the genetics blueprint. Now what is the genetic blueprint? Now genetic blueprints means, students, like if we talk about the human beings, so जो हमारी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन होगी वो भी ह्यूमन बींग्स ही होगी. और अगर हम किसी एलिफेंट या किसी और एनिमल या किसी और स्पेशीज की बात करें तो उनकी जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन होगी वो उन्हीं की जैसे होगी. सो दिस इज द बेसिकली द जेनेटिक ब्लूप्रिंट. ओके, सो ड्यू टू दिस जेनेटिक ब्लूप्रिंट वी हैव सम कॉमन क्वालिटीज इन अस, basically in the human beings, if we talk about the human beings, and if we talk about another species like animals, like plants, so they have their own particular characteristics and own particular commonalities. Fine. तो जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ वी टॉक अबाउट एनी ह्यूमन बींग, सो वी ऑल नो दैट कि 7 मंथ होने के बाद एक बच्चा जो होता है वो वॉक करना स्टार्ट करता है. सो दिस इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द जेनेटिक ब्लूप्रिंट. सो वी ऑल human beings, because we belong to a same species, that's why we have these same commonalities for the change process. So just like that there are many changes in our individual, in our human beings, और सबके सब ये सेम ही होते हैं कि पर्टिकुलर एज ग्रुप है, जब टूथिंग स्टार्ट होगी, हम वॉक करना, या ह्यूमन बींग्स के जो चाइल्ड होते हैं वो बोलना स्टार्ट करते हैं। जस्ट लाइक दैट अनदर स्पीशीज है, उनमें भी इसी तरह की सेम कॉमनलिटीज फाइंड आउट मिलती हैं, just because of the genetic blueprint. Now this is known as the maturation. Okay, so maturation refers to the change in orderly sequence due to the genetic blueprint. Now the another thing is evolution. So students, evolution refers to the species specific changes. Now changes take place over there also, but they मीन टू से बहुत ज्यादा लंबे टाइम के बाद हमें वी कैन ऑब्जर्व एंड वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई. नाउ जस्ट लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. अच्छा, आप लोगों ने ये भी सुना होगा कि जैसे जिराफ जो होते हैं उनकी पहले जो नेक थी वो छोटी होती थी, एंड मैनी ईयर्स, बहुत सारे ईयर्स के बाद अभी हम जब देखते हैं तो जिराफ जो है उनकी बहुत लंबी नेक होती है. ठीक है, सो these all changes happen, and these all changes known as the evolution. So evolutions take place basically by the natural demand and the selective adoption from the natural nature, selective adoption from the nature. So whatever the things most suitable for a particular species, then their demands are basically adopted by that species. Like giraffe ने वो चीज adopt कर ली थी, and we can say that even the human beings are मतलब बहुत टाइम पहले, if I talk about 14 million years पहले, they are look like the apes. But now कि उन लोगों के पहले they cannot hold the things properly. The human जो apes हुआ करते थे, they cannot hold the thing because उनमें thumb जो था वो नहीं होता था. बट नाउ इफ वी ऑल आर हैविंग द थंब, तो सो वी कैन राइट इजीली, वी कैन होल्ड द थिंग्स इजीली, एंड दे डिड नॉट हैव एनी मतलब जो स्ट्रेट बैक नहीं होती थी उन लोगों की. नाउ वी हैव द स्ट्रेट बैक बिकॉज दे लुक लाइक द एप्स. ओके, सो फ्रॉम एप्स टू ह्यूमन बीइंग तक की जो जर्नी है, इट टेक्स 14 million years. So basically this is known as the evolution. So evolution is any specific change in a particular species by the natural adaptation or natural selective adaptation. So students, development basically deals with the changes that occur, that take place from conception to till death. Fine. So basically we talks about the development. So meaning of development, here we can define development as a progressive, orderly and predictable changes that occur in a human being from conception to till the death. Okay, so here we can say in the development we will study about the both things, the growth and the decline. Okay, now growth, the term growth is having a different meaning, as I told you recently, that growth is a increase in size, refers to the increase in size. But as far as development is concerned, development is referred to the predictable changes, progressive and orderly changes in the human beings from conception to till death. Okay, so the development is having the both things, the growth and the decline. So the growth is the sub part of the development, and development is a I can say that development is a very huge part. Okay, huge is having a huge meaning, and the growth is a sub part, is a subsystem of the development. So because we only study about the increase in size, in the height, in the weight, in the physical appearance, in the growth. Now when we talk about the progressive, orderly and predictable changes, mean to say progressive, the changes are progressive. Orderly, they follow a, orderly means they follow a system, okay, due to the blueprint and by the evolution, by the maturation. So they are follow a pattern. Okay, and the predictable changes, so some changes are predictable also, as I can predict or we can predict about the human beings, about the any species also after the studying about that particular species. Like हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि एक प्लांट को, एक सीड जो है, अगर हम उसको जमीन में प्लांट बनने के लिए उसे अंदर रखते हैं तो इट विल टेक 15 to 20 days टू उसमें से प्लांट निकलने में इतना टाइम लगता है, ठीक है। ह्यूमन स्पीशीज हैं, ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं, तो 7 months में बच्चा चलना स्टार्ट करता है। 1 year में कंप्लीट होने के बाद ही कैन स्टार्ट सम वर्ड्स, मतलब वो बोलना स्टार्ट करता है कुछ वर्ड। तो यहाँ पर एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड इट इज डिसाइडेड, बिल्कुल डिसाइडेड टाइम पीरियड है कि ये होने वाला है। सो इट मीन्स सम चेंजेस आर प्रेडिक्टेबल। नाउ द डेवलपमेंट is interwoven or interplay of biological process, cognitive process and socio-emotional process. Now what is the meaning of biological, cognitive and socio-emotional process? So biological process, so students, whatever the things we take from our parents through the genes are known as the biological process. So we take like हमने genes से जो भी whatever the things we have taken from our parents, like height, weight, heart, lungs, whatever the changes take place in the size of the height में, weight में, eyes, color, whatever the appearance, the physical appearance is related, is basically are the under the process of biological. So these all are the biological process. So whatever the things we have taken through genetics from our parents, from our early generations, are study under the biological process. And the another thing is cognitive process. Cognitive process, if we talk about the cognitive process, so students, we will study about the thoughts, feelings, emotion, experiences. So these all are the cognitive process. अब चेंजेस देखिए, बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेसेस में भी होते हैं, हमारे हार्ट में, हमारे लंग्स, इनर बॉडी पार्ट है, आउटर बॉडी पार्ट है, इनमें भी चेंजेस होते हैं, साइज में, किसी में कुछ होता है, फाइन। कॉग्निटिव प्रोसेस में भी चेंजेस होते हैं, हमारे इमोशंस में, हमारे एक्सपीरियंस में। बिकॉज इफ आई टॉक कि हम लोग व्हेन आई वाज अ किड, I have a different opinion, views, emotions, like, dislike. Now at this time I have different opinions, views, like, dislike. So there are many changes in my emotions, my experiences. So this is the thing under the cognitive process. Now the another thing is socio-emotional processes. So students, there are many changes that occur and take place under the socio-emotional process also. Like, what is the socio-emotional process? Socio-emotional process basically deals with the societal things, whatever we learn from our society, or many things we learn from our society. And the emotions also, emotions like fear, anxiety, anger, लाफ, ओके, हम लोग कभी क्राई भी करते हैं, तो ये दीज ऑल आर इमोशंस। सो सपोज हमने हमारी मदर को हम लोग हक कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ अफेक्शन, तो दिस इज अ सोशियो इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट, ठीक है। तो देयर आर डिफरेंस बिटवीन each and every expression of affection. So it means this is the changes that take place under the socio-emotional process. So if we talk about the development, so development basically interwoven with all these three things, like biological, cognitive and socio-emotional. That's why I put a plus sign between among these, because of the interwoven, interplay things. Okay, so development basically deals with the all these processes. So in developmental process we will study about the all three process: biological changes, cognitive changes and socio-emotional changes. Okay, so all these are the basically the study material for us in this particular chapter. So let's have हम लोग थोड़ा और डीपली पढ़ेंगे in our another module.